Welcome to Cho Oyu base camp at 5,700 meters. So just getting ready for our first trip up the mountain tomorrow. So we're going to be on the hill for 7 days and there's a lot of gear to get ready. Now we need to obviously stash as much up there as possible. So tomorrow is going to be pretty heavy in the bag, and also we need to get some gear ready for our Sherpas to take up, ready for the summit bid. So there's a fair bit of stuff to sort out. So I just thought I'd run you through it. So some stuff is coming with me in my rucksack out there. Some stuff is coming with the Sherpas in a few days' time. So this bag, we've got liner socks, liner gloves, all sorts of things that I'll use in the summit bid. Sleeping mat. In there is my down suit. So Sherpas will be bringing that up in a few days' time. Won't be needing that until the summit bid. So I've got my Marmot base layer trousers for tomorrow. Waterproofs top and bottom. I'm going to get away with one pair of socks for the next few days because we're only going up to about maximum 7,000 meters. And in my big boots over there, which I'll be carrying tomorrow, I should be plenty warm enough. So category 4 sunglasses, Marmot climbing gloves, and thicker gloves in case we touch camp 2 at 7,000 meters where it could get pretty cold, and some base layer gloves for the walk-in tomorrow to late camp and then to camp 1 at 6,400 meters, where it's pretty hot in the daytime. In the evenings, obviously the temperature plummets, so we've got a base layer top and Marmot hoodie, and then in the daytime, of course, it's a lot hotter than you think, so just be in a base layer top. This is Marmot, and then a Marmot windproof jacket. Again in the daytime, to keep the sun off my head, got a sun cap, and in the evenings this woolly hat knitted by Mike. Thank you, Mike. So in terms of clothing, that's pretty much it. And of course the pants that I'm wearing now, I'll be walking up in those. The Sherpas will be taking up some mitts. Now obviously these are my 8,000 meter summit mitts, so I won't be needing these until the summit bid, so we're going to be stashing these at camp 2, but these are coming up with the Sherpas, like our millet boots, which should be staying up there. So again, onto the hardware. Well, I'm going to be at base camp, sorry, I'm going to be up at camp 1 for a few nights and at camp 2, so we've got a few nights to kill. So I've got a good book, my phone, headphones, my Wi-Fi. So this is my satellite phone internet. My satellite phone is just on charge. Dry bags always handy. Ice axe, harness, Jumar, cow's tails, prusset loops, etc. That'll be staying up there. My Power Monkey solar charger to keep all this juiced up because I'm going to be there for a few days, not doing a lot. Pee bottle. Pretty useful. You don't want to be getting out of a tent at minus whatever at 2 in the morning. And then I've got another one of these down in the mess tent, so I drink out of that, and another smaller drinks bottle, so I can have about 1.5 litres on me. Crampons, so again in a bag ready to go. They'll be stored up there. We'll need those above camp 1. Ice axe, head torch for the evenings, spare batteries, and of course my sleeping bag, which is this big heavy duty thing. Now, toilet roll, there is no toilet block up there, so this big beauty will be compressed into this bag, and I'll be carrying most of this up tomorrow except my down suit, my mitts and any spare layers. So it means that on the summit bid, and it's really cool to be saying that, on the summit bid I'll be bringing the very bare minimum to keep my bag as light as possible, but in the meantime the Sherpas are busy fixing the ropes, so it's not fair to give them anything else to carry. Toiletries, sun cream, paracetamol, Diamox, the bare essentials again, and food. So we've got board and bag meals, probably enough for about 3 or 4 days, and I'll show you those in the morning. But right now I need to try and get this organised, and I have my list. So really I just need to get all this into the bag. This should be an interesting challenge. So that's the latest blog for now. Over and out.